Hey guys, we got a killer deal on this packout. This is one of the lowest I've seen it lately, not all-time low. It's still a pretty solid deal for what it is, for the price that it is right now. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so you can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, big shout out to Jamie. I believe it's Milwaukee tool users Facebook group for posting this. So this is the packout 22-inch rolling toolbox, 22-inch large box, and 22-inch medium toolbox. So you got the original 3-piece packout on sale, $218, guys. It's a really good deal right now for what it is. I think this is one of the lowest prices we've seen so far. So guys, definitely check it out, guys. This is a really low price for the price that it is right now. So be sure to check it out. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Let me just put it in the cart because I already got another pack-up piece in the cart. Let me just put it in the cart and see if I'm going to get a discount on this before I let you guys go. I'm trying to get it in the cart. It's not letting me. I think my app is frozen. I'm going to reload it again. Alright, so adding it to the cart. Yes, it's $218. It says save 29%. I'm just going to add something else. Let's see what happens. Maybe they'll give me some more discounts. I don't know why though. The Home Depot website has been like crazy. Let's go to the cart. Alright, so no discount on this. I know you got the buy more save more right now, but this 3-pack out item does not qualify for that. So guys, definitely check it out. I'll leave you guys a link down below in the description section of this video. Make sure you guys jump on it, jump on this SAP. You guys know how everything that's red sells fast. So guys, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.